The advancement of military technology has always been a race against time, with nations striving to outpace each other in developing weaponry that can provide a strategic advantage. Among these technological advancements, the US Army is on the cusp of integrating a new type of high-energy weapon that holds promise to revolutionize battlefield dynamics. This weapon, a high-energy laser system, is designed to incapacitate enemy drones, potentially rendering aerial reconnaissance and combat capabilities null. Developed by HII, this defense firm is poised to deliver a prototype that may redefine the future of warfare. The journey towards creating an effective HEL weapon system begins with the development and testing of a prototype capable of engaging Groups 1 to 3 unmanned aircraft systems. These systems are increasingly used in multi-domain operations, and the HEL aims to provide a robust countermeasure. Grant Hagen, president of Mission Technologies Warfare Systems Group, emphasized the importance of this development, stating that the system is a critical enabler for the Army. The goal is to deliver an effective, interoperable, sustainable, and scalable system that aligns with US strategic objectives. HII's commitment to this project is underscored by its collaboration with the US Army's Rapid Capabilities and Critical Technologies Office, RCCTO. This partnership is not just about innovation, it's about providing the warfighter with an affordable counter-UA solution that can effectively protect troops in dynamic combat scenarios.